Worried someone might peek into your recently deleted photos? In this video, I'll show you how to lock or unlock the recently deleted album on your iPhone using your passcode. It's quick and easy. Just follow along till the end so you don't miss a step. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now scroll down to the very bottom. Under the Utilities section, you'll see Recently Deleted. If you notice a lock icon next to it, that means it's already protected. If there's no lock, anyone can access those deleted photos. Let's fix that. Now swipe up and go back to your home screen, then open the Settings app. Scroll down a bit and tap on Passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode to continue. You need to have a passcode set up on your phone. If you haven't done that yet, go ahead and set it up. Otherwise, this lock feature won't work. Once your passcode is active, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down again and tap on Photos. You'll find it under the section starting with P. Inside Photos settings, scroll down to find Use Passcode. Here's the key setting. Toggle on Use Passcode. This will now lock both your hidden and recently deleted albums. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future iPhone tricks like this. Now let's head back to the Photos app and scroll to Recently Deleted again. You'll now see a lock icon next to it. Tap on it. Your iPhone will ask for your passcode to unlock the album. To turn this lock off, just head back to Settings, Photos, and toggle off the Use Passcode option. Once the setting is enabled, check the Photos app. Both hidden and recently deleted should now show a lock icon and require your passcode to open. That's how you know it's working. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.